everybody, welcome back to my channel. Day 22 of my advent calendar. So here we go. We're going to get into day 22. Yes, I can't wait. Ooh, wow, those are great colors. Look at how bright that is right there, that blue. Isn't that nice? And there's purple in there. Wow. You know, a lot of these colors, I can mix it with each other. We have like an orange, a blue, a burgundy, a purple. Wow, there's a real good mixture in there. And that's such a nice little bowl. Isn't that nice? We have a middle pole. So lovely. Let's see if there's anything else. I thought I felt something. Oh, it's the ball band that came off. Yes, right on. I don't think I can get it back on. So we'll just look at the ball band like this. And it is called Ganga Acro Wools. And it is 80% acrylic, 20% wool. 100 grams. Julia Capo. Happiness is handmade. So true. So true. And here is the ball band if you wanted to take a look at that. So wonderful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And here is an item I made. It has fringe on it. And kind of a cowl thing. I didn't follow pattern. I just made it out of my head. It goes all the way around. And the collar can go up, and when it's cold you put it up, when not you put it down. I made a matching hat. It's on my Instagram if you want to check it out. My links are down below in the description for my Instagram, my Facebook, my email if you want to contact me for anything. And this is made out of Charisma yarn, and it is the Charisma Heathers yarn, and the color is rose, I believe. And this is just a white eyelash. So, thank you. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you for day 23, which I can't wait. We're getting so close to 25. The countdown is going. It's still going. So thank you for joining me. Have yourselves a wonderful day, wonderful evening, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.